Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Know how to download and install Realtek HD Audio Driver, and we will check that what exactly the driver date in our computer, and then we will try to download the HD Realtek driver. So just do a right click in the start icon and then go to device manager. And once the device manager is opened, just maximize it so that we can see it. And here we have this under sound, video, and game controllers. I'll click on that. And here you will find your Realtek audio. So you can simply do a right click on that and go to properties and then go to driver section and see the date here, what exactly the date is. And you can also try to update like this, search automatically for drivers. And you can also search for update drivers on Windows Update, but please keep in mind this will take time. So once you click on that, your system might take 5 to 10 minutes or more than that once you update through Windows Update. Right. And the next way, the very convenient way, is to open your favorite browser and just type Realtek HD Audio Driver like that. All right. And hit enter. Now you will find that realtek.com downloads. I would not recommend you can download from there, but this thing might take time to download. You can simply go to Intel website for the Realtek driver. Just click on that Intel, and from here you can find the recommended download for Windows 11 and Windows 10. You can also try any other you can simply select the version from here and download it from here. So once we click on download, since I'm using the Windows 11 and Windows 10, it is absolutely fine for Windows 10 and Windows 11. But if you're using an older version of Windows, you can simply type there HD Audio Driver for Windows or 32-bit like that, and you will get the download. All right. So I'll just click on download. It will say, I accept the terms in the license agreement. And then it will ask you to download manually. And you can say a 277 MB file is getting downloaded, and it is faster. You can see right here, it's getting downloaded pretty fast. So you can also try that. In this manner, you can download and install Realtek HD Audio Driver on your PC. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.